Inshallah, this is the next class of Eamcet complex numbers. I request those who have not seen the previous part, first you go through the previous part. You will get all the formulas of the complex numbers there, formulas and little concept. Okay, so I'm continuing here. Before going to the question, you see here that we realize what is the argument of z1 by z2. We have the formula argument of z1 minus argument of z2. Argument of z1 by z2 is argument of z1 minus argument of z2. What does argument of z means? Angle theta. So its formula is tan inverse y by x. Y means coefficient of imaginary part. X means real part of the complex numbers. Now you see here, argument of z1 by z2 can be written as argument of z1 minus argument of z2. Sorry, minus argument of z2, 6i equals to pi by 2. Now let me do one thing. What is z? Z is x plus iy. So argument of z is x plus iy minus 2 minus argument of z is x plus iy minus 6i equals to pi by 2 is nothing but 90 degrees. Now see here, what is argument formula? Tan inverse of imaginary by real. Imaginary coefficient by real coefficient. Imaginary is y here, so y by real coefficient, real part is x minus 2 minus tan inverse. Imaginary part is here, if you take common I, it will be y minus 6. So imaginary coefficient by real part is x equals to 90 degrees. Now we know what is tan inverse x minus y. Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy, x minus y by 1 plus xy. So let me use the formula tan inverse x minus y is x minus y, x minus y by x plus 1 plus xy, y by x minus 2 into y minus 6 by x equals to 90 degrees. If you bring this tan to on the other side, it will be tan 90. Tan 90 is nothing but tan 90 is infinity. So if you bring this here tan inverse, here it will be tan 90. Tan 90 is infinity. If you reciprocal this, the reciprocal of infinity is 0. So you convert this into reciprocal, bring this in the numerator and the in denominator. So what will happen? 1 plus y into y minus 6 by x into x minus 2 divided by whatever. So here, if you bring this, this will become 0. If you reciprocal this, so 1 by infinity is 0. So this on other side, whatever here, if you bring this here, 0 into a number 0, what is left here? Here, this is left. Again, you take the LCM. If you take the LCM, what will happen? X into x minus 2 into 1 is x into x minus 2 plus y into y minus 6 divided by x into x minus 2 equals to 0. Again, if you bring this, it will be 0. So you multiply this x into x, x square, y into y, y square minus 2x minus 6y equals to 0. So actually this is the equation of circle, x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y, or else if you see this, this is the equation of circle with the diameter, endpoints of diameter. So this is the circle. So this is the circle means first bit what we have, a circle. Now see here the next question, sigma n equals to 0 to infinity 2i by 3 whole power n equals to dash. Watch carefully. We have a formula a plus ar square plus ar cube plus so on up to infinity. This is called sum to infinity of a GP. Its formula is a by 1 minus r. A is the first term and r is t2 by t1, where mod r is less than 1. So let me expand this. First we have to keep n equals to 0. Any number to the power of 0 is 1, plus you keep n equals to 1, then power 1 means same, this will be 2i by 3. Now if keep n equals to 2, 2 square will be 4i square by 3 square is 9. Now you keep n equals to 3, 2 cube is 8i cube by 27 plus so on. So this is the multiplication form now. So this is GP actually. 1 into 2i by 3 is 2i by 3. 2i by 3 into 2i by 3 is 4 by 9 I square, like this. So this is GP. First we kept n equals to 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, so on. This is up to infinity now, so this is infinity, sum to infinity. So its formula is a by 1 minus r. A means first term, r means t2 by t1. T2 is 2i by 3 by 1, 1 is same. So let me use the formula a by a is 1 by 1 minus r, 2i by 3. Now if you take LCM, 3 into 1 is 3. This 3 will go in the numerator, 3 divided by 3 minus 2i. Now see here, we have to take out I from the denominator. For that, we have to multiply with its conjugate. A minus b means we have to multiply with a plus b. So that will become a square minus b square. I will square will become minus 1. So I will be eliminated from the denominator. So we have to multiply with its conjugate to 3 plus 2i. Here also 3 plus 2i. Now 3, let me 3 3s are 9 plus 3 2s are 6i divided by a plus b into a minus b is a square. 3 square is 9 minus 4i square b square. So I square is minus 1 minus 1 is plus 13. 9 plus 4 is 13 equals to 6. 9 plus 6i by 9 plus 4, 13. So this form answer is 9 plus 6i by 13. Now see the next question. If 3 plus 2i sine theta by 1 minus 2i sine theta is real, then before going to the question, watch carefully. Suppose a complex numbers x plus iy is given as real. That means this imaginary part is 0. That is y equals to 0 is given. Suppose some complex number condition is given is real. That means its imaginary part is 0. If it is given x plus iy is purely imaginary, that the real part will be 0. Imaginary means real part is 0. Real means imaginary part is 0. So let we first multiply with its conjugate to take out I from the denominator. Then what is the condition? Real. That means we have to use that imaginary part is 0. Then we will get the value of theta. See here, let me first multiply with the conjugate to take out from the denominator I. So 1 minus 2i sine theta, its conjugate is 1 plus 2i sine theta. You multiply in the same here also, 1 plus 2i sine theta. Now let me multiply in the numerator. 3 1s are 3 plus 3 2s are 6i sine theta plus 2i sine theta into 1 is 2i sine theta plus 2 2s are 4 I square. Sine into sine is sine square theta divided by a plus b into minus b is a square minus b square. Now see here, 3 I square is minus 1. So this is the real part. Watch carefully. Equals to 3 I square is minus 1. So this will become minus 4 sine square theta divided by, separate this one, 1 minus 4 I square is minus 1. So this will be plus sine square theta. This is the real part. Now watch here. What is the imaginary part from 6i sine theta plus 2i sine theta is 8i sine theta divided by 1 plus 4 sine square theta. So what is given? This is only real. This is given as real. That means imaginary part should be 0. Real means imaginary part should be 0. So let me make this 0. 8i sine, not even necessary to take I, just 8 sine theta by 1 plus 4 sine square theta equals to 0. Bring this here 0, bring this 8 also 0. What is left? Sine theta equals to 0 means theta equals to 0. Theta equals to 0. So this is the first bit. Now see the next question. This is z given. What is the value of z cube plus z bar plus 198? We can do any method. I am using just what is z bar is conjugate. So conjugate means we have to change the sign of imaginary. So we got z bar. Now let me find z cube. Let me make some steps easier. We can write this z square into z. So z square means 3 plus 5i whole square into z means 3 plus 5i. Now this is a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30i into 3 plus 5i. Now you see here, I square is minus 1. So this is 9 minus 6, 20, 30, 9 minus 25. 9 minus 25 is minus 16. 9 minus 25 is minus 16 plus 30i. into 3 plus 5i. Now let me multiply this one, we'll get the value of z cube. Minus 16 3s of 48, no, minus 48. Minus into plus, minus 16 5s are 80i. Plus 33s are 90i. Plus 35s are 150i into I square. I square is minus 1, this will be minus 150. Minus 150 minus 48, real parts. Minus 150 minus 48 is minus 198. So what is the real part is minus 198. 90i minus 80i is 10i. Now you see here, let me substitute in this z cube plus z bar plus 198 equals to z cube. So what is the value of z cube we got? Minus 198 plus 10i plus z bar. What is the z bar value we are having? 3 minus 5i plus 198. Plus 198 minus 198 get cancelled. 3. 10 minus 5 is 5i. So this is 3 plus 5i. 3 plus 5i. Now what is the question? Next question. 1 omega omega square, the cube roots of unity x, y and z are given. We have to find the value of x square plus y square plus z square. Now x square means this square, a plus b whole square. So it will be a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now see here, y square means this square. So a square means what will happen? A square omega square whole square omega power 4 a square plus 2ab. 2ab. You see here 2ab. Y omega square into omega will be omega cube plus b square. So this will be b square omega square. Now plus z square. Z square means this square. So what will happen? A square means a square omega square plus 2ab. 2ab. Omega into omega square is omega cube plus b square means on b square. Omega square whole square will be omega power 4. Now watch here carefully. See here, omega cube is 1, that is this is 2ab. Omega cube is 1, this is 2ab. So 2ab plus 2ab plus 2ab will be 6ab. Now let me take a square common here. If you take a square common here, it is left with 1. Now where is the second a square? Here. Omega power 4 can be written as omega cube into omega. Omega cube is 1, 1 into omega is omega. So here omega is left. Plus here is a square omega square. In the same, if you take b also common, b square, 1 plus omega square, you will get same. But we know 1 plus omega square is 0. 1 plus omega square is 0. So this will be 0. What is left here? 6ab. So this is the answer, 6ab. Now see here, very easy question. If a is a complex number and b is a real number, then the equation a bar plus a plus b equals to 0 irreplaceable. Let you see here, a is a complex number. So let me take this is as x plus iy. Now a bar, we know its conjugate x minus iy. Let b be the real number as it is. So what will this a bar plus a plus b equals to 0 implies x plus iy plus x minus iy plus b equals to 0. So plus iy minus iy cancel. What is left here? 2x plus b on the other side minus b. So x equals to minus b by 2. So what is this? This is neither cycle nor circle nor hyperbola nor parabola. Actually, this is the line parallel to y-axis. This is the line x equals to distance is the line parallel to y-axis. So it is a straight line. It's a straight line. The modulus and principal value of, whenever we have to find the modulus of principal value, we suppose like this. Whatever the given number equals to r into cos theta plus sin theta. Where you see here r value is under root of here x square plus y square, okay, and x equals to r cos theta, y equals to r sin theta. Now what is here? You compare this with x plus iy. The value of x is 1, y is 1. The value of x is 1, y is 1. So r equals to under root of 1 square plus 1 square is 2. Now x will be, x is really, what is the value of x here? 1. 1 equals to r is root 2 cos theta. So cos theta equals to 1 by root 2. Now y is also 1 here. 1 equals to r is root 2 sine theta. So sine theta will be also 1 by root 2. Both are positive. It is first quadrant. So first quadrant means theta equals to pi by 4. So this r is called the modulus value. So r is root 2 comma principal value or amplitude is here pi by 4. So the answer is root 2 comma pi by 4. The triangle formed by the points as the vertices of, see here, this point we can be written as real comma imaginary. Real is 1, imaginary is 0. Suppose this is the point A, point B, real comma imaginary. You separate this one, this will be 1 by root 2 I by root 2, 1 by root 2 I by root 2. So real is 1 by root 2, imaginary is 1 by root 2. Okay, so this A and this is B. Now what is C here? I, only I, there is no real here, so this is 0 comma 1. So what is the question? This triangle, let me find the sides AB, BC, CA. No, AB equals to, what is the formula? Under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now what is the formula? AB equals to distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, 0 minus 1 by root 2 whole square. Now let me expand this. Under root of a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2b, 2 ones are 2, 2 by root 2 plus, if you 0 left this 0, minus 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2. So let me solve this one. It equals to under root of, watch carefully, half plus half is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Now 2 by root 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 by root 2. So this is minus root 2. So this is AB. Now let me solve BC. BC equals to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y whole, I'm writing this, 0 minus 1 by root 2 whole square. Either you subtract this or like this, no problem, plus y2 minus y1 whole square. You see here, these two are same. See here, same. So we'll get the same value. Sorry, we will get the same value. So what is the value here? 2 minus root 2. So we got AB, BC. Let me solve for AC. We have to find the three distances, three lengths to know whether triangle is isosceles, rectangle or equilateral. So this, watch carefully. If we add this one, so what is AC? Under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1. That is 1 plus 1, 2. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 square plus 1 square is root 2. So we don't have three sides equal. We are having only two sides equal. Okay, and the next thing, whether we see this is hypotenuse square equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. If you see like this, so root 2 means 2 equals to 2 minus root 2 plus 2 minus root 2. No, it's not. We are not obeying, this is not obeying the Pythagoras theorem. So we can say only this is isosceles triangle. This is isosceles triangle because two sides are equal. Therefore, it is isosceles triangle. Now, next question is here. If theta is real, the modulus of 1 by 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta. Modulus value we can write r equals to under root of x square plus y square. That is real square plus imaginary square. But let me first take out I from the denominator. So we have to multiply with its conjugate. So watch carefully. Suppose this is x a plus b. So what will be its conjugate? A minus b, a minus bi. So this will be 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta. Here also multiply 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta. So what will be the numerator? 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta. Now the denominator, if you multiply this a plus b into a minus b, is a square minus b square. A square minus b square. Now let me expand this one. A plus b, sorry, a square means whole square. No? A square minus b square. Now 1 square is 1 plus 2ab, 2 cos theta plus b square is cos square theta minus I square is minus 1 is plus sin square theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 cos theta. Now let me separate this one by 2 into 2, sorry, by, if you take 2 common, 1 plus cos theta. Here also if you take common 2, 1 plus cos theta. So this will get cancelled. What is left here? 1. So this is 1 by 2 minus I into sine theta. We can write 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2 divided by 2 into 1 plus cos A. 1 plus cos A is 2 cos squared A by 2. So this will be 2 cos squared theta by 2. Sorry. So what is here? This 2 will get cancelled. Cos square get cancelled. Sine by cos is tan theta by 2 by 2. So this is 1 by 2 minus I tan theta by 2 by 2. So what is the formula of modulus? Means under root of real square plus imaginary square. Real square means 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4 plus imaginary minus square will be plus, this will be tan square theta by 2 by 4. Now see here, under root of 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. If you take 4 LCM cancels, 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta by 2. Now this square root will get cancelled, secant theta by 2. Root 4 is 2 by 2. So this answer is secant theta by 2 by 2. So let me do the last question. And principal amplitude of the complex number. See here, 1 plus 2i divided by 1 minus. Let me expand this. A square 1 square 1 minus 2ab minus 2i plus b square. B square is I square. Now see here, I square is minus 1. So this minus plus will get cancelled. 1 minus. Okay. So what is left here? 1 plus 2i divided by minus plus 1 plus 2i. So only 1 is left here. So 1 we can write like this, you see here, cos 0 plus I sine 0. 1 can be written as cos 0 plus I sine 0, because sine 0 is 0, 0 into I is 0, and cos 0 is 1. So what will be the amplitude? Equals to under root of a square plus b square. 1 is nothing but 1 plus 0 I. So 1 square is 1, root 1 is 1. This is, sorry, modulus. And what is the principal amplitude? Is the angle. What is the angle here? Theta equals to 0. So modulus is 1 and angle is 0. So what is the answer? 1 comma 0. So we have done a few easy questions of the complex numbers. This is the second part. Inshallah, we are doing a few more questions, easy questions. Then we go into some difficult questions. Inshallah, we'll continue in the next class.